Most of us, we know that the Electoral Commission is not in charge. The Electoral Commission is just another ceremonial body. Probably their job is to announce the dates. I don't think that they understand even who is in charge of the voter register, because I've never understood that you have. Yes, let me tell you.
What do you mean?
Hello,
it's the Electoral Commission that has been registered.
So is there a voter register? Have you seen a voter register?
We are told there are.
You are told by who?
22 million voters.
No, but have you seen the register? So I'm telling you that you can't have a statutory body, constitutional body. It works for 5 years. In this case, more than 5 years. And you are having elections just a few days away, and they don't have a voters register. If you listen to President Museveni, you hear him talking about the, what is it, biometric verification. I actually think President Museveni and his group, they have their own voters register where they have that, where they're going to apply the biometric verification, because Byabakama does not talk about it. It's normally Museveni who says we are going to use the biometric verification, and if you don't pay attention to those kinds of contradictions, then you will deceive yourself that the Electoral Commission is in charge of these elections, which I think they don't.
Who is in charge?
Probably State House. I even saw a report, I think, by one of the media people, basically, where I said the procurement of the system to do biometric verification as actually was done by State House. In that report, they were even listing the people who are involved in the procurement. Now, if you have an electoral commission, why would the State House be, or even people close to State House? Because it may not even be State House as an institution of state. It may be people within State House.
This is the president himself saying we must have biometrics, and he goes out of the way to ensure that the biometrics are actually.
That's not his job. That's not his job. He's a candidate, so he has no business procurement election materials. He's an interested party. He's a candidate. So when you see him do that, it's basically he's the one who is in charge of the elections, and. That's why normally when you have, and it's not only him, because it's across Africa. All these rulers who have overstayed in power, they organize the elections and announce themselves winners. I mean, that has been standard practice all over.
All right, let's go good, but we know now who is in charge of the election process. It's not the ECS.
Don't ask the minister things that he doesn't know.
You know, Godba, my friend Godba is not like that. It just depends on how you describe everything. This one will say this bottle is half empty, and another one will say it is half full. So it depends on which side.
Must be one side that is correct, isn't it?
One side that is correct, that it's half full. But you know, the whole issue is what I would like to tell Godba. We have an electoral commission. I'd like to assure you that issues to do with procurement of election materials, whether it is the biometric system, whether it is ballot papers, it is all done by the Electoral Commission. But obviously, the Electoral Commission works with other departments, state departments. For this is my ministry. You cannot go into anything digital without them, because we are the digital experts. Even the IT officer in the Electoral Commission is posted by my ministry. In all ministries, we have IT ministries, departments, and agencies. We have IT persons who actually are answerable to my ministry. And therefore, when they are procuring any digital system, our agencies like NITAU and our experts at the ministry must work with them. Some of those items which can compromise security, the security agencies must work with them. And therefore, we are not going to say Electoral Commission should not work with any other agency because it is an independent electoral commission. They may not have all the expertise to do some work, and therefore they must borrow from different agencies. But to say State House is the one which procured this system is really not correct.
Is there a reason why Biometrics does not talk about it?
But Biometrics has talked about biometrics. I think who is in the media, Biometrics has been talking about the word biometrics, and to say that there is no voter register, I think really let us be serious.
So where is the register?
If you want the register, there is a procedure you can follow. They can even deliver it on your phone. There is a procedure that you must follow to access the register. By the way, all candidates right now can access the what? The register. You just follow the procedure. And that register is now digital. But you can get it even on your what? On your phone. So long as you have asked for it and you have followed the procedure.
All right.
As simple as that.
All right.
So me, this issue of God trying to falsify and trying to belittle electoral commission as if it doesn't exist, I think that's wrong.
All right.
They have organized elections before, and they are even going to organize this. Then, let me make the last point. You are saying Bobby Wine is being guarded by